Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com making this video about gold. So let's get started. I made the last gold video on, I think, on the 9th. And this is the weekly chart I had at that time. We were here. I said either we're going to drop for wave 4 right from there where we were at the time, or we're probably going to go up. My liking was that we're going to go up to 2750 and then drop for wave 4 and then go up for wave 5, all of that. Now, similarly, my 4-hour chart was like this. We were here at this blue count, subwaves of wave 3 of this black count, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. I said we're going to go up for wave 5, finishing wave 5 here somewhere, 2750 area, and finishing up this wave 3. And then we're going to drop for wave 4. So far, right now, what we are doing is, let me show you where the heck the gold charts are. Okay, here. You see that? So we are exactly at, right now, 2747. So we went from there straight up to the target that I said that we're going to go for, 2750 area, and then we're going to turn from there. And this is one of my today's trade. And let me see. I have it here recorded. I didn't want to open any trade because it's all the way to the upside, but it was keep going. Nice looking trade. So I said, okay, let me just make this small entry from here to here, from 2736 to 2748. But I already, so like, no, forget it. So yeah, let me go back here. So now this is going to be, I think that this is it. And we're going to make the turn from here. Very, very big chance that we're going to make the turn for wave 4. Now, there is another version which says that it is not this wave 3. This wave 3 already finished here, and this is wave 5 finish, and then we're going to drop for this wave 4. This wave 3 is already done, this thing, right? Let me show you that. So this is how it looks like. So it is wave 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 is finished here, 4, and now we are finishing up this wave 5 black count. Thus, we are finishing up this blue wave count for wave 5, and also we are finishing up this numeric wave 3. Now we're going to go down for wave 4. Let's see how far we go, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, and then usually wave 4 is a little bit same or bigger, a little bigger than wave 2. So let's see. So this is the area. I'm expecting a turn now, right? So 2750, 2760, that's the top, I think. So we're going to make the turn, be ready, and we're going to drop from there. And then either this version or that version, we need to drop, right? This one for wave 4, and this version is for wave 4 of still wave 3. Wave 4 of wave 3, and then we're going to drop for wave 4. So let's see what is it, right? The first thing first, we need to drop here to finish up this wave, either this wave 4 or this wave 4. All right. So this is it for now. And like I said, this trade, I'll close it, and I will look for short from now on to come to this area, maybe around like 2600. Okay. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, because next video I'm going to make about the Bitcoin, and you might just want to see that video as soon as I upload it, right? So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.